We got a great unboxing for you today. We're looking at the second generation Arlo Video Doorbell. This is the 2K version. They also have an HD 1080p version. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. If you have a lot of parcels, say from Amazon, this is something you wanna check out. Let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. All right, let's check it out. There it is. It says charge before setup on the back here. I don't know if I can show it to you. Welcome to the Arlo family. Speaking of Arlo, I've had their original Arlo cameras from like 2017. So it's gonna be really interesting to install this and combine it to, older cameras. So here's the camera itself. Let's go ahead and see what's underneath. Okay, we have instruction manuals with the QR code. I'm sure that's going to be very important. Some safety compliance information. Here's the mounting plate, it looks like, that goes onto the wall. Interesting thing about this camera, it can be both wired and battery. So it has a battery, but if you do already have an existing doorbell, you can wire it up. And speaking of wiring, here is some additional wires and everything you need for that, even the morettes. Here's a charging cable. Thankfully, it is USB-C. That you would expect from a company like Arlo. They wouldn't stinge on that. There are some screws to mount the plate on, so you want to watch my review as I put that one in. And let's see if there's anything else. That's it. That's pretty good. Now, all of this is pretty much cardboard, so it can be recycled. Maybe you want to rip this part off before you do so. But that's it. So let's go ahead and look at everything that you get in this kit. Of course, you have the camera itself, and it definitely wants you to charge before the setup, so I'll do that right away. You have the cable for charging it. You also have additional wire and morettes if you are going to do an existing wiring to your previous doorbell. You also have some screws and some anchors and also the manual. So that's it for the unboxing. Pretty simple, for a doorbell. I love the fact that this is both wired and wire-free. That is a huge game changer. Also 2K video. So this really concludes the unboxing part. What you want to do is watch the review where I do the actual install, the setup in the app, and then checking out the footage after that. I'll have to kind of pretend I'm a criminal in both daytime and night to see how that 2K footage looks. I'm Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out with the Arlo Video Doorbell, the second generation 2K. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch the review.